So we want to customize a plan. Click on Customize Plan. Create new plan. Add the plan name. So for this example, I'm going to call Sunday Arm and Leg Day. And we're going to go intensity hard. We could put the author, whatever you want as a side note. So I'm going to put by Tomas. Scroll down, and from here we start adding movements. So we know that we created a bicep, this with the cable, and here's our bicep curl. First, we're going to start our percentage at 55. See how it automatically rounds up. And we're going to do it 15 times as a warm-up. This is all for demonstration, and please contact your professional to know what you should be doing. And then bump it up to, let's do 40. And now we're able to take advantage of clicking on the number if you are on the website and swiping to the left side and scrolling up and down. And for the pounds, you're able to scroll up or down to reduce. So let's bring it down, back down to 30. We're gonna bump it up. Let's add another movement. Let's say that we want to now include something with triceps. There's this one where it's actually forearm. Let's include this forearm one. RARs, which I know what it is, but if I want to include an image, I am able to do that by pressing on the camera button. We're going to start off at 40, and we're going to keep this one consistent. Let's remove one. Let's bump this up to 50. You know what? Let's bump the last three up to 50. You're able to click on this lock, scroll up, everything below changes. And then this last one, let's try to do as much as we can. So let's do 50 and let's bring it back down to 35. Let's bump this up a bit more. You can actually click on it too. Do 25. You could also add them in groups. So let's say now that we're going to be doing legs, we have dumbbells. So you could click on them, drag it amongst itself. Let's put in a farmer walk in there. Oh, we could click on the plus sign, a tiptoe lunge, and that should do it. So now we have all of these. Let's put the farmer walk below. Use this one on top. Romanian deadlifts. Now let's do this one afterwards, and farmer's walk would be our finisher. For Romanian deadlifts, I have a button up that's plus. Clicking on it. That's only if you have done some movements. It will grab what you've done the last session. So this is what I did for the last session. And from here, it's just an easy way to get started from where you were comfortable of. But now let's say that I want to bump this up to 75%. Tiptoe lunge, same thing. Let's say that now we've been spending a little too much time on dumbbells. And this is 180%. That's what I did last time. So let's do something on the safer side, 75%. But I'm also able to replace with another leg and dumbbells. But let's switch the dumbbells to something like single leg Romanian deadlift. So now when you click on it, the same numbers apply. It only applies if you have a percentage, otherwise it would assume that it's 100%. So if I were to actually move this, it would correct itself. For farmer walks, we'll keep it the same. And you're done. Scroll down to Sunday arm and leg day, and you see we're still in the customized plan, so we cannot start the movement here. We could go back. Oh, that was not going back. We could go back, click on plans, and let's start the workout. The workout has started. If you had a watch, the watch will open up automatically and will start counting your heartbeat, and it'll be saved within your health part of the iPhone. If you want to start a share play, check out our next video. Ha 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 ha.